to YouTube. So we're looking into our 10x 10k challenge. This is B-side, by the way. Okay, so we're sitting at $5,200 today, up $500 and up about 10.5% plus. Okay. Did it hit a high of about 5,500? Wow, that's ridiculous. All right. Well, let's see. Now BNGO is up 13.5% at 15.57 at close, and currently at after hours it's 15.25 minus 2%. There isn't any much news on the BNGO front at the moment. I think it's just carryover from the previous news about the cancer research and the potential for application into cancer research and leukemia and all that other diseases. So currently I am up 431% on the stock. Still have 99 shares, and today up 13.5, $185 and total at 1,500. Okay, pretty high, looking good. Getting into HIVE. Now I know HIVE skyrocketed today, even though Ethereum price was relatively stable around 1,800 to about 1,750. So this is pretty much a boost. I think it's people recognizing this stock, because there's no other way. There's no news or anything upcoming, so I think it's just more recognition, more investors buying. So pretty much what happened to HUT last week. So HUT had that boost, and now HIVE. It is kind of undervalued stock, so it's good to see the recognition come in. Definitely. So we're looking at 87% total return, and let's see, 20% today, and total of $1,700. This is really good. Okay, so HUT. With HUT, we are sitting at 867 close. Now these Canadian stocks, they don't have after hours like the US markets, so we won't see any after hours movement. So sitting at 80% return today, minus 2. This is a really good opportunity to pick up, because I believe Bitcoin was at around 48 throughout the day, so this is definitely a good time to pick up HUT. It is still an undervalued company if you look at the hash rate. The Bitcoin hodling. Now Bitcoin hodling, these are not the most accurate and up to date. These are just what they have listed out and presented as news, but definitely around 32, 33 plus, probably 3,200 plus, because they're mining every day, and with the current hash rate, they're probably getting the most bang for the buck. So, and I believe currently it is, the mining profitability is 29 cents per day per terahash, which is really good. And let's see, market capitalization has gone up to $902 billion. Gold is at $10 trillion, so we still have a long way to go. This is not going to be like a quick thing, so this is more of like 10 plus years. But in general, to get to that $1 million, we're looking at around 2027. So maybe about 5-6 years more. So HUT, yeah, definitely total value at 1,380, and yeah, it's looking good. I would jump at the opportunity to pick up HUT 8, more of HUT 8 at the moment. It's definitely undervalued. I mean, not undervalued. It's undervalued, but it's it took a negative, so we'll definitely have a chance to load up more on HUT. So let's see, Bitfarm 8% on the day, and no news. Looks like they haven't released the date of the closure, so that should come out any day, or they might just give out the news. Oh, wrong stock, sorry. I think in my head I was thinking about the different stock, so my bad. Let's see, 53% total return at $190. Right, that's not the total amount I'm invested in Bitfarm. Just so you know, I've about, I think, 250 shares, so total. Today we're up 8. This is kind of a minute point. This doesn't really matter because, like, it doesn't affect much because the very low investment here. So the main stock here for us is BNGO, HIVE, and HUT. Now HIVE, my target price was around, I think it was around 20 to 30. If I haven't done a video, I'm expecting this company to go like at least $15 to $20 this year, which it might hit, because once these companies like apply for the NASDAQ listing or the US market in general, Bitfarm, HIVE, let's see, Argo, Digihost, still a long way to go, but maybe Argo, yeah. And then we can compete with Mara and Riot. Now, by the time they probably in the US market, Mara and Riot will be probably exponentially more valuable. Looking into Mara, most likely Mara, because Mara's going to be right around 8 or 9 exahash by Q4. So, and still hodling is going to increase. There's no point of selling at the moment. I mean, if they accumulate more debt, but they can still sell some. Yeah, their 4,800 shares are probably 4,800 Bitcoin is probably valued at I think they bought it at 150, so they should be at around 300 or 400 million by now. So okay, so I think that was it for this video. So total, we're looking pretty good. We're up 414, so we've hit the $5,000 mark, so that's good. We're up 414 at $4,200 plus, and we're looking really good. Now obviously this is like, you might see this and you'll be like, wow, this is really good performance, but you have to know 3 of the stocks here rely on Bitcoin and Ethereum price, so not entirely, but it does affect it. So, and BNGO, we're seeing a huge rise this couple like trading days, so that could also change for the negative. So you never know. There's definitely going to be a pullback for BNGO coming, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please know this is not financial advice. Feel free to like and subscribe for more content, and see you in the next one. Thank you.